by Lolo. I'll miss you. Have a good day.
Tito the pup asks with a grin,
What's your
plan? Where do you begin? Build a castle tall and grand, or write a story oh so grand. Draw a picture, colors bright, kitchen center, cook all night. Share your toys, play real nice. Make green choices, that's the spice. What's your plan for choice time? Build, write, draw, or make something fine. Kitchen center or sharing too. Choose your path, it's up to you. Blocks and Legos, stack them high. Craft a fairy tale, let words fly. Grab some crayons, make a scene. Cooking cookies, smells so keen. Sharing is caring, that's our rule. Green choices, they're so cool. Imagination takes you far. Be yourself, you're a star. Tito's watching with a smile. Each choice you make worth the while. So pick one thing, give it a try. Watch your dreams touch the sky.
I'm home. Today I taught the students how to make a plan for choice time. You're amazing, Tito.